Oh, you kid. Morning YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Small that it is, but it's my channel. 90 subscribers, someone dropped out, I had 91, don't know who that one was, can't tell who they are, never mind, we'll get by. Yeah, so I'm back on the backfilling of the cavity behind the blockwork. I'm going to give it a go today, see if I can fill it in, and then I can start rebuilding the garden. Next step will be putting in the face brickwork. So here goes. I'm going to try and get it all done today so I ain't got to mess about with it anymore. Right, hope you enjoy. Don't think I need this on there now anyway. I know it's supposed to be Hessian, but when you ain't got none, you have to substitute it with what you have got. And that's all I had. So that's why it got plastic bags. Right, I'm going to need a bit of 2x4 for that by the look of it, because I ain't getting my temp down in there. I can actually get my Christmas tree in here now if I get this all backfilled. It's growing in a pot outside and the back of the garden, and next year I'll be able to have me lights on it. It's really the only reason I've kept this bit of garden. Very, very sandy. So much so you can probably filter it out or screen it, as Dave says, and get your own sand out of it, I reckon. I don't know if that's the dumb thing. I reckon you could build with it. It's pretty good sand. What a f***. Just had the worst f***ing thing that could have happened. Oh, me. Fuck, what a f***er. Just when you think you're getting on top of it. You live and learn, people, you live and learn. Too much too soon? Probably. Oh well, here's what it is. Let's take it down and do it again. So as you can see, I'm not happy, and I'll show you why. I should have listened to all you blokes out there saying back it up. Now I know why you say it. So back it up. Yeah. Now I know why you say back it up. And that's moved over about a quarter of a bubble. So now I've got to dig all this out again. I started to dig it out. Stand it up a bit straight. And see if I can salvage it. Lesson learned, chaps. Okay. I'm still not happy, but I'm happier. I've managed to dig it out all the way. So I don't know if you can see that. I'll turn it around. I managed to dig out all the way back down there, what I just filled in, around that corner. And I've got the gap down to about 1/8 of an inch, which I'm happy with, because I can now take out this block, that block, that block, that block, that block. That one's alright. And then rebuild the corner. I should have listened to you all guys. Don't do it anything to your work until you back it up. And that's what you say. What did I do? Didn't listen. But there you go. That's the price you pay. Cheers guys. I'll see you in the next one. I'm not gonna. I know I'll show you when I've cut that brick out. Cause I'm shaking. Look, as you can see, I'm shaking. Right. I'm gonna go and get me stuff, knock that out, show you a video afterwards, and go and have a cup of tea and something to eat. And I'm done for the day. me lot. I'm done for the day. Just gonna have to wait till Monday or Tuesday or Wednesday or Thursday or when I feel like it now. Right, don't forget, DIY novice, as you can see, signing out. Please like and subscribe. Afternoon, welcome back. This is an update to let you know that I'm going to carry on where I left off that last video. It's going to be the continuation, fixing that corner where I chipped it all out, and hopefully I can get it back to some sort of place where I had it last weekend. So here goes. Well, don't quite know what happened there. I lost all that footage. Didn't even record it. As you can see, I've put it back to where it was. I am not going to take it down and record it again. So that's how it is. Next video will be face work. So that'll be #4. Can't believe I've just spent an hour recording that and nothing happened, even on the other phone. Oh well, it happens. Signing out, like and subscribe. See you in the next one.